Alright everybody, what's up? This is Mike with Inside the Flip. It's been a while. I told you guys I was going to start making videos, adding to this series. This is Mike with Inside the Flip. And we're going to go inside my little rental property right here. See, I got to get the grass cut. I just talked to the neighbor across the street, and he does that, so I'm going to have him come cut the grass tomorrow. So it's going to be cut tomorrow. And you see, they've already started the demo. Matter of fact, in one day, they came and did the roof. In one day. I mean, they were on it. So the roof is already done. And let me go here. Let me turn around here. Do this backward. Let me turn this thing around here. All right, as you can see, like I said, I got my neighbor gonna cut the grass. They've already done the roof. Now I figured they would do the trimming before they did the roof, but hey, I'm gonna trust them. But like I said, they did an awesome job on the roof. I came over here and they did it in one day. And there's the dumpster there. They're about to get started. I do want to go inside, but I'm not going to go inside today. We're going to do that, save that for tomorrow. I just wanted to let you guys know that I am going to do this video series. I want to come back, let you know the demo has started. So they're going to start demoing inside tomorrow. And I'm going to have, like I said, have my neighbor come out here and cut the grass, trim it all up so don't have to work around all this right here. And I still got that, what's that? That 71 Nova in the back. Got to get that bad boy sold. So I got it on Facebook if you guys are interested. I think I dropped it. I had it at 3,000, put it down to 2,000. If you're interested, if you redo cars, there you go. Hit me up on Facebook and we can go ahead and get it to you. It's got the antique tag on it. And no, it's not running. And like I said, all the pictures are on Facebook. So you can check out Marketplace. And like I said, I just wanted to do a quick video, let you guys know I am doing this series. This is the start of it. This is the second video, and more videos to come. And then when they go a little further, hopefully I can go ahead and have the contractor himself here. We can go ahead and talk to him tomorrow. And I can also talk to you guys about the company that helped me get this house. And I get a referral fee for referring people who are doing business here in Memphis. If you're going to do business in Memphis, you can go through them. And what they do is they give you 100% of the cost of the house and the rehab if it matches the 75% of the ARV, which this one did. So we're gonna make a pretty good penny on this one. But the next video probably gonna be tomorrow. We're gonna go a little bit more in depth, and I might just go ahead and edit this video and then tell you. I'm gonna go ahead. I tell you what, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys the numbers when I get back to the house, so you can see how this deal looks on paper. And we can take it from there with the other videos. So this is Mike with this is Mike with In the Flip. What's the name of that thing? In the Flip. This is Mike with Inside the Flip, baby. This is Mike with Inside the Flip, and I'll see you guys on the next video.